Welcome, friends! It's me, the coordinator Hideki, and my man, Japanese chef Yuya. So, Yuya, what are we cooking today?
今日は京都で有名な抹茶を使ってチーズケーキを作りたいと思います。
Ooh, cheesecake! So, cheesecake is very famous for New York cheesecake, but today we are going to fusion matcha, very famous in Kyoto, which means green tea. So, green tea, cheesecake. Green tea, cheesecake. I have a matcha. I have a cheesecake. Matcha cheesecake.
Matcha cheesecake.
Alright,
Okay,
let's start cooking! Yes, today's ingredients: cookie, cream, sugar, matcha, cream cheese, safflower, butter, and egg. First we take the cookie and melted butter. So we put the cookies in the bag. Butter. And crush. The tip is we want to casually crush it. If you casually crush it, it will have the shape of the cookie. So we kind of want to leave this texture. So we have the cookie as a base. Cream cheese in the bowl. Add some sugar. Sugar and cream cheese. So cream cheese and egg. Mix. So according to Yuya, cheesecake is super easy to make.
Very easy.
Really?
Super easy, simple, very delicious.
Yes, I like that.
Simple is the best.
Yes, simple is the best.
Cream.
How much cream do we put? 150 cc, so that's 150 milliliters. We're gonna put the recipe in the end roll, so please check it out. In the end, it doesn't even matter. No, it does matter. And now we're gonna add some matcha. So recently that you could get matcha in the stores in the States easily. But this matcha is originally from Kyoto. It's very authentic. We actually literally went to Kyoto and get this matcha. Oh, it smells so good. I could smell the matcha. The matcha or the green tea is added to the ingredients. Feels super expensive. It feels super expensive. It's actually not that expensive, but it adds that essence of like high-endish. Just gently add it. We are already ready. Hey, Yuya.
Hey.
I'm trying to get the air out of. Let's put it in the oven.
Oh.
Oh. So what's the temperature of the oven? 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. I'm gonna bake. And here's the cheesecake. And that's how you make matcha cheesecake. And here it is. Ta-da! Alright, Yuya, let's try it.
Yeah.
いただきます。
いただきます。いただきます。
Wow. So good. Best match. best, man. So good. It goes really good together. So it's a confusion of New York cheesecake and the green tea matcha from Kyoto.
最近では海外でも抹茶も手に入りやすくなっているので、みんなもぜひ抹茶を手に入れて作ってみてください。
And nowadays, matcha is easier to get in the States. You could try the house and give it a shot, give it a try. It's good. Alright, anyways, thank you for watching our video once again. If you like our video, if you enjoyed our video, please like us and subscribe. Just press that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.